Zane Redfern, home decorating enthusiast and creator of At Home with Zane. So one of the hottest trends right now in spring decorating is lavender. Whether it's artificial lavender or real lavender, it's very on trend right now. And so I thought to myself, what would be more beautiful than mixing lavender with beautiful, gorgeous, warm candlelight? So what I've done is I've taken a glass hurricane. I purchased this one at a thrift store, but you can pick them up just about anywhere. If you wanted to use a slender one, you could pick one up at the dollar store. This is one that I picked up at a thrift store. I've had for several years, and it's a nice, good size. So what I did is I used my glass hurricane. I picked up some jute twine from the craft store. I got this actually at Hobby Lobby. And then I found these beautiful lavender bushels at the Dollar Tree. So I purchased 2 bushels, which equaled 10 stems. And I simply took off the greenery that was around the bottom of the stems. And I took a rubber band and I placed it around the glass hurricane. So if you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, you know that I do not like hot glue. It's messy, and I just personally don't like to use it. I really don't like for things to be permanent so that I can use them over again. So I took a large rubber band and I slid it around the bottom of the hurricane. Then I just simply slid in all of my beautiful lavender stems. I stuck them in there, and I made sure that they did not touch the bottom of the hurricane. I didn't want them rubbing the bottom of the surface, so I put them to about right here. So you can measure them, trim them down, whatever you need to do based on the size of your hurricane that you're going to use. And once I had them all lined up around the glass hurricane, I then took some jute twine. I started in the back, I made a knot, and then I just simply took the jute twine, and this is going to be the easiest way for you to do this, is to, once you have it started in the back, is to actually take your twine and move your vase around the twine. Don't try moving the twine around the vase. It's going to be too difficult. So you simply want to get this positioned in a nice, wrap it around, create a bow in the back, nice knot, and then you want to just take this and just keep spinning your hurricane and letting the jute go around. It's going to save you a lot of trouble. After I was done with that, I thought I wanted to add a little bit more rusticness, a little bit more charm, a little bit more texture. So I took some raffia that I had from the Dollar Tree. They come in bundles, you tear it apart, and I made a simple raffia bow on the front. And I have to say, I actually put this together, and I wasn't really planning to share this in a video, but we had some guests over last night, and I had so many compliments on this. Everyone thought that it looked very upscale and that it was very farmhouse chic, and so I thought it was share worthy. For all of my friends who love the Dollar Tree and they love farmhouse and they love rusticness and they love that warmth and that beauty and want to bring that into their spring look, I figured this would be a good way to give you an example of something that you can do. So I already had it put together, but it's very, very simple. Again, I used a rubber band. That way I didn't have to use hot glue. I simply aligned all of my bushels. You can move them around, position them however you would like so that they fit in really nice and well. And then I just simply line them all the way around. Now, you can use as much or as little as you'd like. I did not want the entire surface covered with stems because I wanted you to be able to get that beautiful, warm, natural candlelight through the center of the hurricane. So I bought a large pillar candle. I think I got that at Walmart, and I just think it's absolutely beautiful, as has everyone that has seen it. So inexpensive, So beautiful, so charming, so rustic, so warm, so inviting. It's the perfect nod to the beautiful spring season. I truly feel like you could actually use this through spring, through summer. You could do something very similar when it goes into autumn, and then of course whenever you get into the winter months. So I think it's beautiful, it's inexpensive, I think it makes a really great statement. So if you're looking for something to really bring in that freshness and that beautiful look of spring that's not going to cost you a ton of money and is going to be very easy, this is going to be the perfect DIY for you to try. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel. Check out the links in my video description to all my social media sites, my Pinterest, my Facebook, my Instagram, my website. It's all over there. It's a one-stop shop. Go over there, check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll look for you the next time.